Baranja, a picturesque region in Croatia, is known for its rich cultural heritage and stunning natural landscapes. It is located in the eastern part of the country and borders Hungary and Serbia. The region boasts fertile plains, lush vineyards and charming villages, making it a paradise for agricultural activities and wine production. Kopački Rit, one of the largest and most preserved wetlands in Europe, is a natural wonder located in Baranja region of Croatia. This vast floodplain, formed by the confluence of the Drava and Danube Rivers, teem with diverse flora and fauna, including over 270 species of birds. Our group took advantage of the opportunity to ride the tourist boat and enjoyed observing various species of mammals, birds, amphibians, and fish. With its peaceful beauty and ecological significance, Kopački Rit offers a unique opportunity to connect with the natural world and experience the Croatian wilderness.